Hello everyone, I Saloni Sharma from School of Management. Today we will discuss on event management. Question arise, what is an event? Event can be described as a public assembly for the purpose of celebration, education, marketing or reunion. It can be classified on the basis of their sizes, types and contexts. There are four types of event. First is a corporate event such as conference, product launches, meetings, networking events, etc. Private events such as wedding, birthday parties, festivals, gathering, family gatherings and etc. Education event, career fair, seminar, workshops and competitions. Lastly is a social event. It's a charitable event. What is event management? Event management is a process of planning, organizing, and executing various type of event or functions. This event range from corporate conferences, seminar, trade shows, wedding, concert, festival, etc. The goal of event management is to ensure that the event is well conducted successfully and even meet the specific objectives and expectations of the organizers and the attendees. Elements of event management. First, planning and conceptualization. Event planner work closely with the stakeholder to understand the event's scope, target audience, themes, and desired outcomes. Next is budgeting and the important elements of event management. Creating a detailed budget is very critical to ensure all aspects of event are financially feasible or not. It involves estimating cost for the venue, equipment, staff, marketing, catering, entertainment, and etc. Next is venue selection and logistic. Choose an appropriate venue is very important for a successful event, and also handling logistics like permits, contracts and coordination with the vendor. Next is event marketing and promotion. Effective marketing and promotions are essential to attract attendees for an event. Event manager use various channels such as social media, emails, marketing and websites. Next, event program and content. Crafting a well-structured event program from scheduling, presentation, performance, workshops, networking sessions, and any other activity which is relevant for your event purpose. Next, on-site coordination. It includes registration, coordinating with the speaker or a performer, handling technical setups, ensure all transaction between session it should be smooth, addressing any issue that may arise. Next, post-event evaluation. After the event, it is very essential to evaluate its success against the defined objective and get a feedback from the stakeholders, attendees, sponsors for helping and refining future event. Thank you so much.